How to recover closed tabs on Google Chrome. Easy Method 2026. Accidentally closed a tab in Google Chrome? Don't worry. Here's how to recover it in seconds. Method 1. Use the shortcut. Fastest way. Press Ctrl-Shift-T on PC or Command-Shift-T on Mac. The last closed tab will instantly reopen. Press the shortcut multiple times to restore more tabs. Method 2. Restore from history. Open Chrome, tap the three-dot menu, top right, tap History, select the tab or website you closed. Method 3. Restore all tabs after browser crash. If Chrome closed unexpectedly, reopen Chrome, tap Restore Tabs when the pop-up appears. Important tip. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account to sync history and recover tabs across devices. Done! These methods work on Android, PC, and Mac in 2026. If you want, I can convert this into your short hook and voiceover format for your YouTube